Investing is a great way to build money over a long time, but with so many options out there, it's very difficult to see where you can earn your assets. In this video, I will compare investing in stocks and crypto and tell you about the pros and cons of both so you can decide where to put in your money. The first one is traditional investing in stocks, also called as forex trading. And also this has a pro and a con. Both pros and cons I will tell you about it. Stocks have a long track record of generating wealth over a long period of time. There's a wide choice of stocks, whether it's ETF, which is combined stocks, or loose stocks in the big companies. There's a wide variety on stocks, whether it's ETFs, which is a combined stocks option, and this might also be beneficial for you to diversify your portfolio. Also, some stocks offer regular dividend payments for investors. And the downside is that the stock market can be very volatile. If the inflation is going high, if the stock market can be very down as well, that's the downside of it, which can mean that the fluctuation of value, and it's very difficult to predict some stocks in the future. There are fees associated with selling and buying stocks, which can actually eat into your. There are fees included into buying and selling your stocks, which can actually eat in your returns. And also traditional investing might not be for everyone because it requires a certain amount of wealth, which you need to start in your own way. And then you have the non-traditional way of investing, which is cryptocurrency. The biggest pros, of course, of cryptocurrency is that it can gain massive amount of growth in a short amount of time, relatively to the market cap that all cryptocurrency have. If there's some coin with a market, the biggest upside of cryptocurrency is of course the massive amount of growth that you have in a relatively short amount of time, because this world is relatively new. And with some coins experience massive growth. A lot of cryptocurrency is also decentralized, which means that it's not binded by any government or financial institution. Investing in cryptocurrency is accessible to everyone, which involve low entry costs and minimum investments. The downside can be that the cryptocurrency market can be extremely volatile, which can be ranging from your investment to 90% low of all-time high, or even from where you bought. A lot of cryptocurrencies, as we saw at FTX and other companies, is untested investment, which is not really suitable for long term. And also the lack of regulation can basically make the market one wild west for scams and frauds. And some of those scams and fraud you can see here. So when you have the pros and cons of both traditional investing as well as crypto investing, which one is better? And the answer is not really easy to answer. It mostly depends on your risk tolerance and the capital that you have. If you're looking for a reliable long-term investment and with steady returns, also if you have a lot of capital which you don't want to lose, traditional investing into regular stocks is the best way to go. However, if you're a young guy with less capital and you're willing to return more, but with a lot more risk, and if you have a high risk tolerance, then cryptocurrencies are for you. Ultimately, the best investment strategy is diversifying a certain amount of your wealth into something and high risk with a lower amount of capital. This mixture can include different types of investment, including stocks, including cryptocurrencies and bonds. By diversifying your portfolio, you can increase your chance of success and spread your risk. So to summarize, each of the investing methods has its own pro and con. Traditional investing in stocks offers a long-term success, while cryptocurrency offers the potential for a very high rate of return in a very short amount of time with the highest amount of risk. So the best choice is something which you can make which align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. And if you want to see how I do it, I have my own strategy which you can see in this video.